Good day everyone, we are the BTVTED 1A. I am Christian Adrian A. Favila.
I am Princess Richelle Abanto.
I am Christome S. Belier.
And our topic for today is Chapter 9, Laws, Policies, and Programs for Philippine Women.
Objectives. At the end of this chapter, the student should be able to name Philippine laws that protect and empower women, explain the importance of policies that protect and empower women, and state the aims of these policies for women and for the society as a whole.
The human rights approach means treating women's rights as human rights. It focuses on protecting women from discrimination and giving them equal opportunities in society. This approach makes sure women have the equal access to education, jobs and health services, protection from violence and abuse, freedom to make decisions about their own bodies and lives, and equal treatment and respect in society.
International documents supporting women's rights. The first one is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, 1948, states that all people are born free and equal regardless of gender. The next one is the CEDAW of 1979, protects women from discrimination and promotes gender equality worldwide. Next is Beijing Platform for 1995, a global plan to empower women and improve women's participation in all areas of society. Next one is Millennium Development Goals 2000, included goals to promote gender equality and improve women's health and education. Last one is the Sustainable Development Goals 2015, continuous global efforts to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. The Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women. It is an international law that protects women's rights and makes sure women are treated equally and fairly. It also protects women from discrimination, supports women's reproductive rights, and challenges harmful traditions and genders. Timeline of important policies and laws for women. 1975 to 1985, UN focused on women's issues like domestic violence, trafficking, and abuse. In 1979, CEDAW was created to end discrimination against women. In 1985, UN made actions to help stop domestic violence. In 1989, CRC or the Children's Rights Convention protects children from abuse and trafficking. 1994, violence against women recognized as a serious health and human rights issues. 1995, November 25 became International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. 1999, Beijing Platform for Action focused on preventing violence against women. 2008, UN started Unite campaign to end violence against women worldwide. And the last one is 2013, counter-strengthened laws to eliminate violence against women.
CEDAW defines discrimination against women as any unequal treatment based on sex that limits women's rights and freedoms in any field. It requires countries to promote equality in laws, protect women through institutions, and eliminate discrimination by individuals or organizations. Magna Carta of Women shows the Philippine government's commitment to follow CEDAW and protect women's rights. Beijing Platform for Action or BPFA promotes global gender equality between women and men. It identifies 12 key issues needing action, including poverty, health, education, violence, economic inequality, unequal power, lack of protection of women's rights, media stereotypes, environmental inequality, and discrimination against girls.
Sustainable Development Goal 5 aims to achieve gender equality by ending discrimination and violence against women, eliminating harmful practices, promoting women's leadership, ensuring access to reproductive health, and securing equal economic rights. It also emphasizes recognizing unpaid care work and strengthening laws to protect women. In the Philippines, the 1987 Philippine Constitution guarantees equal rights for men and women. Meanwhile, Republic Act No. 7192 supports women's active participation in national development implemented through the Philippine Commission on Women.